Why have we not thought of this before?
You didn't even unwrap it.
Are we leaving this for 24 hours?
Yes, we are.
What?
I feel like it's gonna be a fresh video.
We were walking around looking for something else to do a 24-hour soaking challenge video with. And then I walked past this section and I said, mouthwash. Why have we not thought of this before? You put it in your mouth and it makes your mouth feel minty. So what would happen if you put a skateboard in a mouthwash for 24 hours? Would the skateboard come out cavity free? So we are going to get 8 gallons of mouthwash. I think that it's gonna come out blue or green or whatever color we choose. Okay, some of this has alcohol in it.
It all does.
Not all of it. Look, this has 0 alcohol.
Oh.
Gotcha. Okay, let's start loading. All right, that's 2, 3, 12.
That's that whole shelf.
15. You know what? We can just add some Listerine Ultra Cleans. 2021.
Beautiful.
Now, we take this back to the Braille house, put them in a bin, put some skateboards in there, and we see what happens. We got back from Target, we unloaded the car.
Hey,
so,
Gabe, whoever you was the cashier at wherever you bought those probably thinks you got a really stinky mouth.
so now we just begin dumping all of this into there.
You didn't even unwrap it.
Oh my.
Dan, what are you good for?
Are we leaving this for 24 hours?
Yes, we are. We commence the pouring. And while I'm pouring with it, if any of you guys would like to make some predictions as what you think is gonna happen.
I think it's gonna fizzle and it's gonna smell good. My predictions, it's gonna get waterlogged. That's about it.
And it's gonna smell minty.
Yeah.
Don't blow your nose.
I did.
Hey, look. Good science.
That doesn't perform well.
It's just cold now. You saw. You're the only one that saw it, right?
Imagine we've been in this Braille house during many winters.
No,
This guy's
they don't
a
get it.
freaking
No,
amateur.
they don't even know what I'm talking about. He saw, he was filming it.
Did you see what I did?
Of course they didn't. That's why.
Dan, what?
What are you doing today? What are you doing?
Hey, my mouth
He's
feels
like,
super clean.
He's like the troublesome 4-year-old at Disneyland that doesn't know how to act with the parent that goes, keep it up. And he just goes, runs around and does his own thing.
Quite
Get that out
literally.
and dump it in, dude.
Listerine.
Look at him.
This is not an ad.
Look at his face, all of that right now. It's
I
like,
want to choke him.
Stop it! No!
That's more important.
You flavor invented.
You ruined it.
All right. Let that sit for 24 hours and let's see what happens tomorrow. I predict that the board is going to be very smelling good.
I had 20% more of drink left.
Look, now you have 0% of drink left. Hey!
Alright guys, it's been 24 hours and we're gonna take it out of the mouthwash and put it in the sun to dry. Nobody took off the tags or there's still plastic on it. It smells very fresh.
Oh my.
Wow! I've been overwhelmed with a just fresh. It's just
Oh, that bearing. Real minty.
real minty. Oh my
Look
god.
at the grip tape.
Dude, that's a strong minty mint.
What happened to the grip tape?
It's just bubbly.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you
Whoa.
good?
You know when you get a lot of like mint in your nose and it just makes you cough?
Dude, it's gonna smell up the whole parking lot.
We gotta close that because it's gonna aerate the whole world. Make it minty fresh.
All right, let's let that dry and then
Yeah,
we'll
we're
skate
gonna
it
let
in
it
a few
dry and then
minutes.
we'll skate it. This is gonna be interesting. I feel like it's gonna be a fresh video.
All right,
Alright.
we should do some analysis. How's it look? Oh, you know what? I think that's all mouthwash in there. That's definitely
Who
all
didn't take
mouthwash.
this off? All right.
I mean, we're skating it like
Bearing
that.
test.
Smells
real quick.
good though. That
Dude.
smells good compared to this.
Yo, the bearings are not bad.
It's rolling. It's looking good. It's looking good. Feels weird. We got
Alright.
the minty freshness.
Dude, it smells so good.
It definitely smells very good. Whoa, tight trucks. All right, well, let's do an ollie.
Not bad.
Fresh ollie, minty fresh.
Minty fresh.
Let's do a fresh kickflip. The bearings, I can feel them. They're gummy. Like they're not rolling very well. It's interesting.
Might be the wheels.
Oh, my shoes are sticky now.
Anything nice to say about it?
It's a nice skateboard. I like the blue.
Smells good.
It smells good.
Maybe because it was soaked in there for so long, the trucks are like just kind of getting stuck on one side and the other. That did not go. Grip's kind of there still. Doesn't
Well,
dark
the grip's
slide.
not there anymore.
I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that.
I mean, I think the board has enough.
What did you just do?
I mean, it had enough grip like I was talking about.
That was insane. How did you guys even skate this?
This whole place is gonna smell fresh.
Dude, that's good.
That's very good.
I love this smell.
Just skate everywhere. Release the aromas everywhere.
Ooh.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
That should
God,
be the thing. That should be
Scented
Skateboard!
Oh, dude.
Dude, did we just come up with that?
Hey, cut this out. Don't leave any of this in here. We can't let people
Or you
know.
like leave it in, but like censor it.
Hold on. You guys gotta skate. I gotta make some phone calls.
Straight four. Dude, it's like so sticky.
Is it?
Yeah.
Powers
are going away.
What is wrong with you people?
That flipped way too fast.
Everyone take it to the mini.
Take it to the mini? Oh man. You see how small these trucks
Take it
are
to the mini.
compared
Oh
to the board?
man!
Do you call me an old man? You guys ready for some radical skateboard maneuvers?
Radical.
Okay. Little slippery.
I've never seen you look more stiff on a mini ramp.
They're so tight.
It smells so good.
Okay. I completely forgot he likes mini ramps. Yeah, that's Malik.
What?
I love it.
I saw how soft it is.
Wait.
You like how soft it is?
Yeah, nice and
I'm the cameraman today.
Keep going on the full scene.
Well, that's cool.
Not my section. Wheels are a little slow. Oh my, dude, I like tried to make it turn towards the rail because it was heading towards my right side, and it just said no. Dude, this thing is wild. Like, I just don't know what to think about it anymore. There's like hair stuck to it. This plastic's still on it. It's like stuck and sticky. You can feel it, you can smell it. What else do you want from a board?
I was not expecting that.
My Lord, Atlanta. How did you even pop that?
All right, let's get this last trick in here. Ah, the one that's getting away.
All right, come on, conquer the beast.
The dolphin?
Conquer it. You
All
only
right.
need one.
All right. Ah! Ah!
You're done. You're done. You're done.
Let me see if I get dark side on this for reals though.
That sounds absolutely terrible.
I'm trying to get the smell onto the box, so when we're done with this, we still have the smell here. All right, since it's not sliding, I'm just going to have to, woo!
Choose it out.
Done! All right, let's do this. Oh my God. Dude, that got eaten.
Like it peacock.
Whoa.
Aromas. Oh, that's strong. Oh, that's super strong.
Oh, my breath smelled better.
I inhaled that and it made my breath smell good.
Oh, that was.
All right, I think we need one more.
Oh, look, makes it easier to go skate now.
Let me see. Let me see. Look at that. Look at that nose. Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Okay, last test. The lip slide test on a rail.
See?
R.I.P. in peace.
Well, now I can just grab it this way anyway.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely let us know what we should soak our board in next. Anything you guys can imagine, just let us know.